Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2027 BMW 430i xDrive Coupe in mineral white metallic with a Tacora red interior. Alright, so this is the 2027 BMW 430i xDrive Coupe in mineral white metallic. And I've just pressed unlock on the key there, so we got that little headlight welcoming shimmer. And here's the key. I'm just gonna press and hold panic for 1 Mississippi. So that is the full low beam system on as part of the pathway lighting option to help light your pathway in case it's real dark. So 1 Mississippi, panic, lights on, 3 Mississippi, sound is on. So let me do a little lap all the way around. It's been a while since I've seen any 4 Series coupe here other than an M4. So I decided, you know what, this is probably our first 2027. And mineral white, also don't see this often. Usually they're alpine white. And the tail lights, laser tails looking crazy. So now that I've done this lap all the way around, let's take a closer look at all the details. So we got mineral white metallic. It's not as white as alpine white. It's a little bit darker, but that's because it's the metallic flakes in there. And it's kind of overcast today, so not easy to see, but definitely you can see different if you compare this side to side with an alpine white. But mineral white looks probably a bit more rich. We've got these nice body lines coming down lengthwise. We've got another one coming around the side. And we've got the BMW rondelle up front and center. We have that honeycomb pattern that we actually saw this on the 440 pre-LCI. We do have the front plate bracket on there. You can also see we've got some sensors kind of hidden right into the grille, and we have active grille shutters top and bottom. We have a spot down here for your tow hook, and we've got all of the snake eye headlights through the welcome shimmer. And as I saw earlier, we can do the full pathway lighting on, so you see the full low beam system and functional air going into the wheel wells for aerodynamics and all that, so that is pretty good. Now if we take a closer look at the headlights, these are the shadow line BMW LEDs with the blue accents, also known as the snake eyes. So if you got an M car, M3, M4 comes with these exact same headlights, which is pretty sweet, so you get that upscale appeal. And of course, at nighttime, people may mistake you for the M4 or even an M3 if you're behind them. So that's really cool. Now if we come around to the side here, you'll see that we have the 19-inch double spoke 995M wheels in jet black burnish with the red M Sport brake there. So that's sweet. We have this little cutout feature on the fender. It swoops up through the door. And we also have the rocker panel, which is body colored, emitting the welcome light carpet, which it's a little bit bright in here to see, but you can see it. We have body colored side mirror, and right here where the light's hitting, you can kind of see that metallic flake that you do not see in alpine white. Integrated turn signal and side camera. We've got the sunroof up top, new style antenna. Windows were also just tinted, and we do have touch comfort access on both doors. So we still have this style of door handle. And we've also got the spoiler on the trunk lid here. And if I come around to the back, you'll see that we've got the beautiful laser tail lights and of course 430i badging. Split dual exhaust with the rear diffuser back here. And we've also got the horizontal reflectors. Alright, so since we're at the back of the car, I've got the key with me. We could press and hold the tailgate button. There's also a little micro switch I could press underneath here with my hand, but I can also definitely do a swift kick underneath the middle of the car to have this open or close. And once this opens up, you have a release lever down here on each side to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. We also have the grocery bag hanger on this side, carpeted mats down here. There's also a little plastic bin. And over here, we've got the little netted area. And down here, we have a tire inflator kit with the tire sealant, and your wheel lock key and your tow hook are all here. And then we have a button to close, another one to close and lock, but I can certainly just kick my foot underneath the middle of the car. to have this close the hands-free way. Now on the passenger side, we'll find the fuel cap door connected to the central locking system, so when the car is unlocked, we can press 9 o'clock, the door opens. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot to put it, and then when you're done, it's just clockwise to close it. Now, if I open the passenger door, you'll see we have the welcome light carpet also on this side. We've got the beautiful Tacora red interior. Got some flamingo ambient light going on. Galvanic controls, door pull, unlock, lock, Harman Kardon sound system, little pocket area down here, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar, and if I lift this up, the seat can go into the acute angle, allowing us to have the seat move forward so that we can get into the rear seating area. Just gonna undo the seat belts back here. We have an armrest in the center with some cup holders. And we also have a pass-through through the center as well, just like that. The headrests, of course, are fixed. Reading lights up top, black headliner. We also have the coat hanger on each side on the back of the B-pillar. We also have some vents on the back of the center console. Here's the winter mats. We also have some vents underneath the front seats. And once I move the seat into the recline angle, it'll move back to its previous position. And since I think I'm gonna have to sit here in a minute, I'm just gonna make some space. Perfect. Now over here you can see we've got the new vent design, so you can close the vent, open the vent direct where it's blowing. We have the aluminum rhombical trim. We have iDrive operating system 8.5 on the curved display. Illuminated glove box down here. We have some nice knee pads here. Cascading ambient light on the vents. We also have down here a wireless charger, USB-A cup holders, 12-volt plug, iDrive controller, gear selector, push start button. And if I lift this up, there's a USB Type-C in there as well. So now that I've had a chance to look through the passenger door, let's shut this one and we'll go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we go ahead and open up the driver door, so inside of there we've got Harman Kardon. We also have your unlock lock. Windows were just tinted. This looks like 35%. Memory, both window controls, one touch up and down. Side mirror controls are also here. Tailgate button, you can press that to open or pull and hold that to close while the key's inside, meaning you can close the tailgate without having to leave the vehicle. You also have the M aluminum door sill, full power seat with lumbar. There's another look at those beautiful seats. We also have the flat bottom steering wheel down here with the M at 6 o'clock, black marker at 12 o'clock. We also have the head-up display, and this one does have 360 cam. So we'll have the capability of automatic back park, parallel park, backup assistant is a memory of 50 meters how you went forward and go backwards exactly the same way. There's a red X behind us, which is the tightest angle the car can cut full lock left or right. The green lines move with the actual steering trajectory. We can also see the 3D view, and if you've got 360 cam in your car, you've also got drive recorder. So it's basically like a built-in dash cam. It doesn't record any audio, but it'll record 20 seconds before and 20 seconds after a trigger. A trigger could be an accident. A trigger can be manually operated as well, which is pretty sweet. And basically at any time, you can look all around your vehicle using the My BMW app, so long as you're not actually in the vehicle. And we can use digital key, which allows us to place the key on the tray here, which is your phone, to start the vehicle, and you can touch it on the driver's door handle to lock or unlock the car. And up top we've got some SOS, sunroof controls, reading lights, garage door openers. The visor can come down, that opens up with the light, and we've got some microphones on the ceiling on each side as well for Bluetooth. So now that we've had a chance to look through here, let's just jump back out of the car. And down here you'll see that we've got your pedals, dead pedals over here, and here's your hood release. It's 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, you won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline-4 twin-power turbo. And this is producing 255 horsepower, 295 foot-pounds of torque. We've got the diagonal strut bars as well over here for rigidity, positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, and washer fluid goes over there. And BMWs have 2 latches under the hood. It just means they both have to latch at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, just throw it down. Perfect. So before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around the car. And while we're at the back, let's take another look at those laser tails. And while we're admiring them, 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. So that is your remote engine start, cold start sound. And let's get back to the front of the vehicle. So while we're here, 1, 2, 3 again to shut off the remote engine start. And we should have the active grille shutters opening up top and bottom so the car can breathe. And once it's done breathing, these will automatically close again. Just like that. So tell me in the comments below, how do you like the 2027 BMW 430i xDrive Coupe in mineral white metallic with Tacora red interior and M Sport Pro package? 3, 2, 1. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2027 BMW 430i xDrive Coupe in mineral white metallic with the Tacora red interior and M Sport Pro package. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put you pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.